so that Tim can. He's going to attach a camera.
Oh wow!
So we're gonna put a camera on the sail. Okay, so we're going to bring one of the sails down to give him a chance to do that first of all.
So Tim's not going to go on the sail as you said he was?
No, we discussed that.
Oh, that's such a shame. Tim, you're woo!
Also, bear in mind, I've done a lot of work on the brake. We're not in a marathon to make it spin.
Oh.
We just want to make it just gently turn. I think that's the key to do.